Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video I'm gonna show you the best free VPN for Crossfire. Let's start. If your device is Apple, go to Apple Store, or if your device is Android, open Play Store. Then search Betternet. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. Skip the tutorial and tap on Proceed with Ads. In this step, choose your location. And finally, tap on Connect. Then choose Let's Do It. Turn it on and go back to the application. Select Connect again. After that, tap on OK. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe in our channel so that you can find the Hotspot clever features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.